Hey you guys, good morning. It is Wellness Wednesday. Happy back to school for those kids, teachers, and parents headed back. I want to talk to you this morning about healthy snacks, whether it's for your kids or not. Here's the deal. The average American eats 160 pounds of sugar a year. That is way too much. So I talked with Dr. Sinatra about some things you can sub in. Check it out.
When it comes to weaning kids off of sugar and processed foods, you talk a lot about this, and you say it's very important, especially now. Explain why.
If you have too much sugar in your blood, your immune system is going to go down. And this is a problem for the diabetics, you know. So a lower blood sugar and giving kids good foods with lots of fiber, less sugar, good vitamins and minerals and antioxidants, that's the way to go. So that's the reframe for parents during this crisis.
Yeah, I think that's such a good point. And now you've got a lot of parents who go, oh no, my kid's picky, they're not going to eat healthy food. But you have some really great suggestions that I want to share with parents out there. Let's just go down the list.
Sure.
You've got raisins, grapes are on the list, also figs and apples.
Great combinations, hopefully organic. I like the organic varietals because a lot of the fruits are sprayed. Grapes are sprayed, you know, pretty heavily. The worst sprayed, you know, fruits and vegetables are apples, strawberries, and peaches. Now, I really love apples. I'll tell you why. There was a study in Holland, and green apples, now kids may not eat green apples, they may prefer a red apple, but green apples have quercetin. And quercetin is a bioflavonoid found in onions and apples and actually black tea. And quercetin fights respiratory viruses. There's great studies to show that it is an antidote to respiratory viruses, and people do much better, you know, taking quercetin compounds. So I love the fact that you're giving these kids, you know, apples, preferably green apples over red apples.
And would you do like, I like the combination of apples and almond butter, for instance. So add
Great
a little
combination.
Yeah.
No,
And very easy, right? Okay, I want to show everyone, I just did this. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't do it. I mean, really, I just, you know, it's from the grocery store.
Oh man, that's a carotenoid, bioflavonoid dream. That's strawberries and papaya. And that will help with the sweet tooth of a kid, you know. And look, this is fructose, folks. This isn't taking in glucose or sucrose. So if you're taking in fructose in these fruits, you're not going to get the insulin response that you're going to get with pure glucose. So this is a good way of getting sugar into kids.
Yes, you guys, this is a form of sugar. So get away from those over-processed sugary treats. This is a better form of sugar. I'm going to try to get the entire interview with Dr. Sinatra up for you on our YouTube pages and all that stuff. But for now, Greg, I hope you learned something. I hope you're going to sub something out for you, for your daughter, someone in your household, someone in your life.
I'm a fan of the apples, you know, so maybe we're going in the right direction there. So yeah, I like to cut those up and eat them while I'm snacking here while I'm doing the weather.